Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the watch supports alarms and that the battery is healthy. A weak battery can make settings unstable. Once ready, press mode repeatedly to reach OM or alarm screen. This is your configuration hub. Make sure you know which button acts as set or adjust by tapping each briefly. The light/backlight is an easy test. Keep the watch steady and face up so accidental presses don't skip steps. Now you're positioned to set hour and minute values precisely. You press set or adjust to begin editing. Watch the hour digits flash. That tells you editing is active. Then use the plus or minus buttons to change the hour and press mode once to move to minutes. Adjust similarly. Once time is correct, navigate to alarm sound settings. Some watches label it sound, beep, melody, or volume. Choose a melody or beep and set volume if available. Take a moment to save with set/adjust so your choices persist. You finish by pressing set or adjust to save and exit. Confirm the alarm icon, often a bell, shows on the display. Once done, test the alarm immediately by setting it 1 minute ahead or using a test function to hear the chosen sound. If you don't hear anything, make sure the bell icon is enabled, battery level remains sufficient, and any silent or do not disturb mode is off. If problems persist, reset the watch memory and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.